Hi, at Spark Place we have a Singer heavy-duty 4423 sewing machine. It's attached to a power strip, so make sure the power strip is on. That switches for the light that's overhead, and that's the power for the machine. Turn all three on. Thread is right next to the machine. Time to put the thread on. Follow the numbers. Make sure you get it inside that hook. Come down and around 3 and 4. 5 is through there. This one's hard, so you have to look for it. It's underneath. And then you just thread the machine. Now we're going to go to the bobbin. Slide that button to the right. Top pops off. Take the bobbin out. The bobbin must be winding counterclockwise. Turn that handle towards you. You're going to see that come all the way to the top, and you'll see a loop in the bobbin thread. Pull it out. The instruction booklet has all this information. The extra feet and accessories can be found in the cabinet above the machine. These are some of the feet the machine comes with. The blue stitches are for stretch fabric. The needle has 3 positions. We look forward to seeing you at Spark Place.